Good morning. It's been a long time since I've been on this bike, and today I've got an excuse to break lockdown because I need to take this baby to do an MOT. Oh no. Come on. Well, that's a lesson learned. Always trickle charge your battery when you leave your bike in storage. Ay ay ay. There we go. Off we go. I'm also a little bit nervous because I've not been riding on wet tarmac for a few months now. I'm quite experienced with it, but I'm always in some sort of like orange stage. It's a bit like I'm riding on eggs. Hey, nice Mustang, bro. Oh. Bit of mud in the middle. You can see the discoloration. Don't want to stay on that. Changing side. There we go. Careful here. Uh-oh. Service? What the f*** is going on? Oh god. What's wrong with you, baby? Why are you giving me a service warning? And when sunlight comes to you from the tarmac, it is a disgusting sunlight. Makes sense? Like this. Ugh. Can't see. You would say, use your sun visor. And I'd say, yeah, you're right. That's a bit better. Being careful here that no one tries to skip lane. Let's filter to the front. I must admit that wasn't the best of lane rejoining I've ever done, but I knew I had enough time to do whatever, so. Did you see me? You see me now, yeah? face for these guys. Oh, my speedometer is not working. That's what it is. It says 0 mile an hour. Oh shit. That could be a sensor. So obviously I don't have a mask with me because I had an helmet and I forgot, but now I want to grab a coffee, so what I'm gonna do is just wear my helmet, lift my visor up like this says, and get my coffee. Everything is so expensive in petrol stations, don't you think? Oh yeah, just a coffee please. Sorry? Because if I can stop the car, the first one. That's alright. Yeah, just a coffee. Oh, sorry. There you go. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Yeah. We've done our good deed for the day as well. And I can now take off my helmet and enjoy my coffee. I'll see you later, guys. Alright, so unfortunately the bike failed the MOT. Rear pads less than 1 millimeter thick, number plate light didn't work, and there's an advisory on the rear brake disc being a bit too worn out. I'm gonna change the pads myself because that's quite straightforward and easy to do. Will our heroes be ready for the motorcycle trip in June? Stay with us and you'll find out. Oh. Not enough time to swerve on that, and when I don't have enough time to swerve on a pothole, I prefer to go straight into it and just brace, because if you try to wiggle last minute it could end up badly, potentially. Why I'm moving to the right, because there's white lines and it's slippery, and I'm checking that guy that coming through, and I'm checking this guy stays there, scanning, ratcheting, visual, moving for the water, careful with this guy. Right, I'm gonna filter, make sure it doesn't turn green as I'm filtering. This guy is indicating right, I'm gonna make sure that he sees me, quick out the way. Checking mirrors that they don't rear end me. Keeping an eye on it, saw me, still red. Checking my left, right. It's all free from pedestrians. As it turned green, I'm gonna look right to see if there's people coming, because maybe they jumped that red light. Right, turning green, checking. All clear on the left here, moving for white lines, don't want to go on top of those. Right, shoulder check, clear, gonna move. It's green to turn left. Checking roundabout, all clear, checking this guy, doesn't change lane. And I'm gonna move quickly in front of it. Checking this guy's done cross lane, he's braking, he could potentially jump. All clear. Green, staying away from wide lines. Checking roundabout. Checking, left clear. Gonna keep the bike up straight. I'm gonna lean in the corner because it's wet. So I put myself out for balance and I'm keeping the bike up straight. Bit of discoloration in the middle of the road, Could be slippery, could be a bit oily and greasy. I'm gonna stay on the outside for now. Moving to this side for visibility. And keeping an eye on the cars in case they come toward me. Again, staying on the outside for visibility. Now a bit more tight blind, so I'm gonna move a little bit towards the middle. So it gives me more time if there's a car coming toward me to correct, and I have an escape route on the left hand side. I stay in the middle now, starting to check my mirrors, slowing down, no cars behind, picking my lane, all clear, left, right, clear, indicating left, shoulder check, all clear, moving back to the middle for visibility, long left turn. Bit of potholes here, being careful. Moving to the external now for visibility. And back to middle, away from the dogs. All clear. Mirrors check. Slow down. Check this guy doesn't cross. All clear. Roundabout. Going out. Shoulder check. All clear. Picking the center. Careful of this van. Was looking on the other side. He was looking away. Didn't pay attention. Didn't even see me there. Roundabout. All clear. Moving back. Staying outside for visibility, all clear. Now I remember from this morning there was some mud in the middle of the road here, so I'm starting to position myself already on the outside and stay away from that mud in the middle of the road. Keeping a nice speed, gives me time to react. No one coming out of here, and slowing down. Mirrors clear. Already looking ahead. I'm already looking over there, which is where I'm going. Indicating left. This car is gonna turn. Yes, she's gonna turn. Still clear behind. Balancing myself out, keeping the bike straight for grip, for traction. Now this is the perfect example of how much ahead you need to plan when riding your bike. Here I've already spotted the hazard and I'm preparing myself for success. Can you spot what's going on? What is this guy doing? Is he going to reverse out? He's not seeing me yet, he's not seeing me yet. All good. Indicating right, which is where I'm turning. Check before I turn, all clear. I'm going to wait. Staying in the middle. And turn. This girl is going there, all clear, moving lane. Indicating left. Checking left first, which is where I'm going, right. Always double check. And I arrived. Thank you for watching. Now back in time for the closing up of this video. Well guys, thank you very much for coming with me in this little trip to the mechanic. I enjoyed your company as usual. I mean, you're not really here with me, but it's like I'm talking to you, right? So thank you for the company. If you enjoy these little videos that we're doing with the new rebranding of Type 1, please leave a like, subscribe, click that bell, stay up to date with our latest videos, and let me know in the comments what you guys would like to see. Do you want more of like this kind of riding videos, or more of the you know, maintenance or studio stuff. I like doing both personally, so what do you guys fancy? Let me know in the comments below. And thank you for watching, guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.